welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the drawing process in a concrete block. Here this is the concrete and this is the drill tool. This is a uh, rigid body, and let me first use this option in XY view. Let me to zoom here and click on animate. See that this is the rotation and axial velocity, and this is the failure and damage happen inside the brittle materials such as concrete. So now we can request, for instance, the stress, the damage variable, plastic strain, ductile damage. This is a brittle failure, see that? And let's use this option and now this option. See, this is the hole inside the concrete block by using a drill. We did this as a dynamic explicit simulation, and we can get, for instance, the yield criterion, and we can use the limit for the yield criterion, for instance 1 for here. See that it is a better view. Okay, this is the simulation, and you can get everything from this simulation if you want. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, or if you can't find it, search some words of this title in the search section in the website, and then you will find it. We have a lot of simulation in English language in our website, and they are provided for English users. Click on a blue sign or on the title. Then you will have a short explanation about the process, geometry and assembly, and then the material method, step interactions and load, and then the result here. You can see the result here. And then there are 3 important points. The file contains CAIMP English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have Bitcoin, you can pay it with that. If you have PayPal, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.